It starts as a tense roadside interaction, nothing out of the ordinary at first. But listen closely, the confusion, the hesitation, the scattered answers, something isn't adding up. Officers are probing, reading body language, watching every move. And in moments like this, things can flip fast. The question is, who's about to make the first move?
I'm about to be in the chase. I gotta go. GSP 591 radio. I got the road blocked.
Now tensions spike, commands get louder, sharper. Officers shift from conversation to control mode, issuing clear, repeated orders. This is a high-risk transition point where hesitation can turn dangerous. Notice the coordination, multiple officers locking down angles. Would you comply instantly here or risk escalating the situation?
Get your fucking hands up! All of you, hands up! Right up the rebate! Hands! Back seat, back seat. Come here. Get over here.
Got lethal?
Yep, I got you. I got you. Come here. I don't want to hear nothing from you. You stop talking. You want to get him over there with him? Hey, roll your window down now. Roll out the window. Roll out the window. Pull up. I'm gonna back up so you can get that door.
Keep your hands on the window. Do not move your hands. Do not move your hands.
Good. Pull him out. Fuck out of the car. Out of the car. Fucking car. Fucking clear. Out of the car. Out of the car. Get the fuck out. She's pregnant. Roll over.
A situation that started with uncertainty quickly escalated into a controlled takedown.
Good.
Strong communication and coordinated positioning made the difference, preventing further risk, especially with a vulnerable passenger involved. If you found this breakdown insightful, drop your thoughts below, hit like, and subscribe for more real-world pursuit analysis.
She's pregnant. She's pregnant. Careful. She's pregnant. Stand up. Get over here. Spread your feet out. You got anything on you I need to know about? Here's a chance to tell me.
Nothing, sir.
So why are you running then?
That's good. I didn't want to look like a good.
Oh, you screwed that up, didn't you?
Sure. Maybe 5 already.
So why are you being stupid and putting her in danger? God bless.
We're just going back for
I'll sit you straight down.
I'm taking him home.
You ain't taking him anywhere now.
Well, I was taking him home.
Have a seat right here next to him.
The only thing I have in the car is in the trunk. That's all I have.
In the trunk, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ma'am, sit on his trunk, bumper right there.
In that right there to your right. And that, it's a jar. It looks like a jar. Yeah, that's all I have in the car.
You ran for this?
No, that's not what I ran for.
So you're just commonly stupid. Okay. He had a stack of cash, not much, but. Yeah, she's going in your